And as you can see, naka-robe na siya. He's ready to go. Uy. Welcome back to our channel. So today, hindi pala today. Tonight is, what day is it today, Bob?
Wednesday, I think.
Wednesday, yeah.
It is Wednesday.
Yeah, it is. Tinan nyo guys, sobrang busy ng aming buhay dito. Hindi na namin alam kung anong araw ngayon. So tonight is Wednesday night. And it's currently 10:07 ng gabi. Tingnan nyo guys, 10:07 na siya. And hindi kami nakapag-vlog earlier today kasi sobrang busy talaga sa trabaho guys. Kaninang umaga, yes, nag-start ako ng vlog nung si Paris dinrap namin sa childcare. Going to school everyone. Good morning.
My truck.
No more truck.
And this is it.
Yeah, the truck's gone.
Put the rubbish in the bin.
Yeah, put the rubbish in the bin. And after that, na busy na sa sa trabaho, may mga meetings and ganun-ganun. So hindi na kami nakapag-vlog. Anyways, ngayon naisipan namin mag-vlog ni Daddy Mike. And tingnan nyo guys, he's already yawning because it's late at night already. And as you can see, naka-robe na siya. He's ready to go. He's ready to go to bed. But I said, let's just do this really quickly. And so yung ipapakita namin tonight, guys, is yung mga males. Mga ganito, guys, Kasi 'di ba, yung video ko the other day, pinakita ko sa inyo yung binili ni Daddy Mike sa akin na bag for our 4th year anniversary. Tapos, na-mention ko sa video na yun na yung binili ko for Daddy Mike, yung regalo ko para sa kanya, hindi pa dumating. And then, today, dumating siya. Pero sabi ko talaga kay Mike na hindi mo na i-open. So, very good daddy for not opening it yet. Kasi gusto kong i-unbox sa harap nyo guys para makita nyo rin. Kaya nandito siya ngayon, ang ating special guest. Thank you for being with me tonight.
You're welcome.
Anyways, so mag-start na tayo guys ha, para hindi tayo Say hi first, daddy. Uy!
Hi first, Daddy. Uy!
Come on, Bob.
Bob!
Say like just, hi guys.
Hi guys.
So, magsimula na tayo guys para hindi tayo abutan ng madaling araw dito. So, yung unahin muna natin is yung pinakamaliit. Ayan. Yung iba pala dito guys is galing sa mama ni Mike. Kasi, in 5 days time, birthday ni Daddy Mike. And, kasi nga lockdown dito sa Melbourne ngayon. So, hindi kami magkikita-kita ng, ng Modra Bells niya. Kaya, pinadala na lang niya yung regalo niya para kay Mike. At dumating siya kanina. Anyways, let us open now. We got this. You wanna open it? That's for you, I think. It's from your mom. And actually pala guys, meron pa akong binili for Daddy Mike yung parang trimmer ng kanyang dito ng mga buhok niya dito. Pero dumating yun siya the other day. Yeah, dumating siya the other day. So, ginamit na Daddy Mike. Hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo, guys. Kasi nasa bathroom man. Ayaw kong gisingin si Paris ba? Ito palang pinadala ng mama niya, guys. Extra mask. Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you for this. Tingnan niyo, ang dami, guys. Kasi kailangan na talagang mag-mask. I think like last night, tonight na parang legal na lumabas ka ng bahay na walang mask. So, starting tomorrow, kailangan mong mag-mask. So, ayan. Thank you, Mom, for this. Kasi yung mga nagbebenta ng mga mask ngayon, guys, parang nagtitake advantage din sila ba? Parang minamahalan nila ang kanilang presyo. Kasi alam nila that everyone needs mask. Ayan. So, siguro bibili kami ng yung washable bitaw? See. Ayan. Card. Ang card ni Daddy Mike. Tsaka na natin basahin. Oy, para sa birthday. It's only for birthday. Tapos, ayan. This one. So, ito rin, ayan, galing din sa mama ni Mike. You open it, it's for Mike. Where's the one? Scissors. No, kahit sa loob ng bahay, mag-mask. Ayan.
Uniqlo shirt, medium size crew neck in a charcoal color.
Oh, why does it say heat tech? So it's probably will keep you warm or something. Ayan guys, oh.
Yeah, or it's like one for, you know, sports.
Oh.
Medium one as well for like in a black.
Ah, yeah, different color. Ayan.
And a grey.
Open nga natin, B.
I don't know what to say.
Ha?
What do you say?
Open.
And a grey hoodie.
Oh, lusog na siya i-open, guys. Oh. Ay, gali-gali. Ayan. Oh, have a look, guys. Yung ganyan, oh. Oh, yeah. You like this one?
You look good.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
And the hoodie. You want to open it?
Oh, yeah, it's a hoodie. Oh, it's also from Uniqlo. Like, Mike's mom loves Uniqlo talaga. So, ayan. Very nice.
And some socks.
Sobrang ganda. May pocket-pocket pa dito. Oh, ganyan, oh. Socks. Oh, socks from Uniqlo too. Tingnan nyo, oh. Lovely. Ayan, that's from ano? Mike's mom. Mom's watching.
Thanks, Mom.
Ayan, oh, yan yung natanggap niya galing sa ano, mother dear niya, guys. And then meron pangatlo dito na ano na plastic. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman nito, but nakapangalan sa akin. So, you know your sister has been doing online shopping lately. So, they are starting to arrive now. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman nito. Where's the gonting. Can you do it for me, please?
Yeah.
Na-excite talaga ako pag ganito, guys, yung mag-open ng mga ano ba, mga mails. Kasi parang nakakatanggap ako ng regalo from me to me.
Pass me that back.
There you go. Can I borrow this?
Okay.
Now I know. Alam nyo, guys, I have a very funny story, right? Bumili ako ng dress online. Tapos, very excited ako na mag-open ng ng parcel ko. Parang nag-cut ako ng ginamit ko yung scissors ba. Naapil ang dress. Nasama yung dress sa aking kinat. Buang talaga itong atin nyo. It's a pair of shoes, guys. Gee, ayan, dumating na siya. Matagal ko na kasi itong in-order, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung kailan ko to in-order, pero so, ito pala yun siya, guys. Ayan, oh. First time akong bumili ng ganitong kulay na shoes. Kasi, lahat ng shoes ko kasi, hindi ba klaro, guys? Can you see the color, Bob, on the screen? Oh, not really.
Bring it closer.
Yeah. Like this color.
Let it focus on the wall.
Ayan. So, blue. Ayan. So, minsan lang talaga akong magkagusto sa ganitong kulay na sapatos, guys. But, again, my bestie Ron, lahat talaga ng binibili ko online for myself, yung mga fashion kong ganyan. Talaga kasi yung bang sinasabi ko lahat sa bestie Ron ko. Kaya sabi niya, get that one kasi may ibang kulay ka na. Kaya, yan. Do you like this one, Nari?
Yeah, it's nice. You happy with it?
Yeah. This is size 36 pala, guys. So, yung shoes ko is size 36. So, bikini man, may gustong magbigay. Bikini man, may gustong magbigay dyan, ha? Size 36 ako. Ayan. Ewan ko kung magkasya ba ito, babe. Tingnan natin, babe. Hello, guys. Oh. Hindi ko na ipakita ang harapan, guys. Kay very gross ang aking kuko. But, yan. Oh, nice. Lovely. Kasyang-kasya siya, guys. That's good. Ipapakita ko to sa mga pag sinuot ko, guys, sa mga OOTD ko. Ayan. Anyway, so let's move on to the last plastic here. Ito. So again, hindi ko rin alam kung anong laman nito guys kasi pero nakapangalan sa akin, so ako yung hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung nauna na ano dumating. Yan. So minsan 'di ba kasi naka-lockdown so hindi kami makaalis-alis. Careful Daddy, you might cut it. Hindi kami makapunta ng mga shops ganyan. So si ate nyo ay nag-online shopping na lang. Oh, yeah, I know what it is. Ayan. This is for our baby Paris. But it looks like it's big. Okay,
Mata.
Tingnan nyo, kasi winter na, binilhan ko si Paris ng, binilhan ko si Paris ng jacket na very similar sa akin. Ayan. So, nakita niyo yung sa akin na palagi kong sinusuot, yung brown na very thick talaga, yung sobrang kapal na, mas makapal pa talaga sa mukha ko. Yun, ayan. So, very similar. So, alam niyo naman, gustong-gusto ko yung mag-twinnings kami ni Paris like the other time, di ba, yung dress namin magkaparehas. Kaya twinnings na naman kami ni Paris nito. Do you think it's too big ba? O?
No, I think it's fun.
I think it's fine, yeah. It's really warm, I think. Like, have a look. Oh, may lining siya sa loob. Yan. May pocket pa sa harapan. Oh, Paris will look very cute in this one. Yeah?
Yeah, she'll look good in it.
Yeah. There you go. So, that's it pala. Yun pala yung laman ng last na plastic natin. And alam kong very excited na si Daddy Mike ngayon kasi we're going to open his
The main
present. The main event of the night. Ayan. Yun yung binili ko guys para sa kanya for our anniversary. Ayan. Kasi initially, yung gusto niyang bilhin is yung adjustable bench press pero wala mang nagtitinda na ubusan man ng matindahan. Kaya ito yung second option niya.
Yeah.
Ayan. PS4.
Very good. Thanks, Bob.
It's okay. You're welcome.
There it is.
So, this is it, guys. Ayan. So, that's the PS4 na gusto ni Daddy Mike. And, ito yung mga wires. Isa lang pala yung ganito. Oh, siya lang yung makakapaglaro.
How many controllers? One, yeah?
Okay, only one.
So, try by myself.
Ah, mabigat siya, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. So, there you go, guys. Na-open na namin. And, are you stoked?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy with my haul.
Huh?
My haul.
What's that?
My haul. H-A-U-L. It's like...
Hole.
Yeah, hole.
I thought like hole, you said like the bangag hole. Like,
my haul.
hole. Yeah, that's right. So, he's very spoilt. Thank you, Mom, for all the regalo. And, yeah. You know, guys, oh, wish granted. That's good. So, binili ko to para sa kanya and the beard trimmer too. Kasi, parang isahan na siya, parang, anong tawag dito, for anniversary and also for birthday. So, yun na yun siya, guys. Wala na akong ibibigay na iba kasi yun na yung regalo ko para sa kanya. And, kaya nga sabi ko sa videos ko before na pag nagre-regalo kami ni Daddy Mike for each other, we make sure na yun talaga yung gusto namin. Kasi, if I get him something else na baka siguro hindi niya magustuhan, and then he will spend his money anyways to buy this one. So, it's better na pag may mga okasyon ganyan, yung binibili namin para sa isa't isa is yung something talaga na gusto namin. Kaya, yeah. No, I'm just telling them, Daddy, that we're very practical and we make sure that when we give each other gifts, we make sure that that's something that we really want.
Of course.
Yeah, just like the bag guys, yung binigay ni Daddy Mike sa akin for my for anniversary nga namin. So yan yung nasa wishlist ko na gusto kong bilhin. And then yeah, that's why Daddy Mike bought it for me. And then ito yung nasa wishlist ni Daddy Mike. Yeah, this is what I bought for him. And yeah, happy life. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Anyways, yun na yun guys. Yun na yung haul namin for tonight. And I'm very happy that Mike is happy with everything. And until next anniversary. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys for always watching our videos. Na-appreciate talaga namin yung oras na nilalaan nyo para sa aming mga videos. And also, welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-hit ng subscribe button. And also, sana i-click nyo na rin yung bell button para notified kayo palagi sa mga bago naming mga videos. Anyways guys, i-exit na ang ating Daddy Mike kasi hindi na siya makapaghintay na laruin ito. And then now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out kasi as always, hindi pwedeng i-end yung vlog natin na walang shout out para sa ating mga mahal na subscribers. So I'm just gonna get Daddy to say bye now so he can go.
See you guys.
Good night.
Have a good night.
So the first shout out goes to Ria Sitcharon. Shout out to Filipina Rodriguez from Caloocan City and also Conda family. Shout out. Shout out to Jasmine Visperas, Mylene Franco, Lina de los Santos, JK. Shout out to Evert Suta 53. Shout out to Marinith Bugarin, Janet Gordon, Evelyn Ramirez, Nori Aliada, Crystal Joy Dumagit, Devienne Bakakaw, Vivian Bayona, Shen Manimog, Flora Ferrer from Eastern Samar. Shout out to Perla Gallo, Rona Tumulak from Dumaguete. Shout out to Jonadel Gallardo, Fabrel Go, Myla Alonzo, Christine Joy Guinness, Jelly Morer, Rosario Saballe, Teresita Abaluyan, Angeli Astrid Pontillas, Shaina Main, LM, Baglove, Sulieta Ang, Joanne Ambe, Ninya Awa Agosto, Baniville Bulawin, Jorin Balatan, Arnel Pasatiempo, Jam B. Shout out to Rosana Hidalgo, Charmaine Brocal, Apple Evangelista, Lynn Ahmad, and to her family, Sarang Hamnida, Debbie Azcuna. Shout out to Cactus PH, Janice Bancale, May Gao, Emilio Menges, Norberta Nono, Ifigenia Zarate, Vel and Lane's Vlog family, and Gina Ibo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!